Special thanks to American Rescue Dog Show's grant sponsor, Pedigree Foundation. Visit pedigreefoundation.org to learn how you can help, adopt, volunteer, donate.
Welcome to the 2019 American Rescue Dog Show. These dogs will win your heart as they compete to win in their own unique categories. They may be getting along in dog years, but they're still young at heart. These feisty Fidos are looking to win Best in Senior. Let's meet our 7 senior contenders. Autumn, Chaos, Joey, Midge, Rabbit, Vincent, and Raul. Each of these incredible contenders are rescues who found their forever homes. And there are more beautiful animals just like these waiting to be adopted at local shelters. Tune in to see which of these oldies but goodies prove that age is just a number multiplied by 7 by winning Best in Senior at the 2019 American Rescue Dog Show, only on Hallmark Channel.
We get our next dog right on down here. Come on, baby.
Our 5th competitor for Best in Senior is Raul, a Galgo. He's 9 years young and was adopted from the Galgo del Sol USA Rescue by Scott Gulledge, who's with him today.
Hi, Raul. Many people are unfamiliar with the breed, and it's great that you're here to shed light on this.
The Galgo is an ancient breed which was once a favorite of royalty, but these Spanish greyhounds are now mostly used for hunting.
It's wonderful that he's here. I'm so happy.
Raul does not smile on command, but when he does, it's just a huge, giant smile.
If you look at him, you can't resist him.
Thank you, Raul.
This is Raul, the Galgo, number 43.
After adopting Raul, Scott founded the group galgopod.org that spreads awareness about the breed.
Ah, such a good group. You're all amazing. Ah, it's gonna be so hard to choose. You've all shown us how to age gracefully with such vitality, and you've left an indelible impression on our hearts. This has been a very difficult decision. We're gonna have Autumn, Midge, and Raul.
Oh, Midge. And the top 3 are Autumn, Midge, and Raul.
All right, so the winner of Best in Senior is Midge. You're advancing to the finals.
Best in Senior is number 34, Midge, the Chihuahua Corgi Mix.